Hey, Dana, we're going to vlog. You can consider this around the house or maybe goat love. We got about 20 to 24 inches of snow yesterday. In the past 2 days, anyway. So now it's getting down here to the goats. She's finally got a goat. Their first winter. Come on, boys. Atticus, what you doing, you billy goat? Look at your little billy goat. What you think? This is their first winter. He's definitely skittish because he's not a...
Well, he's not cold because if snow stays on their back, that means they got good enough insulation in their body.
Well, yeah.
No, I was reading about it.
Oh.
Although I think I need to bolus him because his eyes look like he's losing hair.
Oh. How you doing, buddy?
He ain't got no issues at all.
Yeah.
But he looks like he's losing hair by his eyes.
What you doing, dude?
Come here, dude. Atticus! Atticus!
He definitely is.
He is a big-ass chicken.
Isn't he?
Atticus, come here. Popo.
Popo, what are you doing up
Come
there?
on, Popo. Po, come here, Popo. Come on, Po. Po. As soon as I open it, though, here he comes.
Atticus, what are you doing, dude?
Popo.
Come on. What are you doing?
Po. See, look at me. Is he looking at the snow?
I know.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
He is definitely a curious goat. Curious goat. Let's go back in there. So we got him really...
I got a big mess in here. Hasn't been warm enough to clean it.
Definitely out of the weather, huh? That's good. Good. Plenty of straw. Plenty of straw, huh, bud? The water's staying. We got the water hooked up. It's staying clean. You getting in the igloo? You getting in the igloo, huh?
Look at him.
Mister?
Look at him.
What's he doing?
He's trying to lick my nose.
Oh.
What are you doing, baby? What are you doing?
What you doing? What you doing, At?
You're so true. I love you. Look at him.
I know.
Here, come on, out of the box. Out of the box.
You got me a box
Out
to
of
get.
the box. That's where we put the hay. Yes.
He's such a lovable goat.
You're a good boy. Now, come on.
On the other hand, this guy's a stand away.
Come on, baby.
Yes, he is. He's stand
Honey,
away.
look at his legs curled up in there.
I know, huh? Different breed of goat.
He is a Nigerian dwarf.
Yeah.
He is registered. He is from good parentage.
Yeah.
He is the epitome of a Nigerian dwarf.
Yep.
He's why people love him.
Unfortunately, you didn't get that. You didn't get that lovable. You gotta be standoff. Come on, get out here.
No, he's a cross, even though she swore
Come
up
on.
and down.
Come on,
He's
mister.
a Nigerian. He's not.
Come on, Ma. He's a mix. Come on.
He's
Come on, Ba.
he's pygmy in Nigerian.
Oh, okay.
Cool. See, in this one, I can lift him if I need to. I can't pick up Atticus to save my life.
Yeah.
I gotta give him water, babe.
Okay.
Hey, boys. I know, just watch. That's my keep it off the floor. I'd like to see you eat more of your hay, guys.
What you doing? Huh? What you doing, mister? What you doing?
You go, buddy.
You go back out, huh? Go play in the snow? At least go walk in the snow? Yeah? Look at my animal crackers. Look at my animal crackers.
Hey, don't you dare go back there.
How you doing?
Don't go back there, Popo.
What are you doing?
Popo.
What are you doing? What are you doing, mister?
Come here, baby. Come here.
You got yourself caught back there. You can't go back there.
No, you're okay.
I'm gonna put a fence
Come on
up.
down. You're okay. Come on down. Come on down. Come here. Come here. Oh, come here. Nice to be there. Oh, come here. It's nice to be there. That's love. That's love, buddy.
What you doing? What you doing now? What you doing now? What you doing now? Huh? What you doing now? Huh? Didn't stink and put you in the cellar. Yeah. That's what happened to the. I think that's what happened to the house in Newburyport. The lady had goats and put them downstairs in the cellar, and unfortunately it was on a boiler system and caught the house on fire. Ooh. Yeah, it's snowing still. Must be 38 degrees tomorrow. Some of this will melt. Gotta deal with flooding. Popo, no. No, you're not going back there. No, you did. No, you got yourself in trouble the other day doing that. That needs to go away.
Hey, where'd you go? Come back in here.
Like I said. Yeah, we can't shut the camera down.